class. Today, we have an activity to do. But before that, I have a question first. In real life, have you ever noticed that it is easier to float in the ocean rather than in a swimming pool? We will find out why this is happen by the activity we will do. Okay, class, we will start our activity. Come here in front and do the activity by following my instructions. Our materials are 2 glasses of water, 2 eggs, a stirring spoon, 1 tablespoon, and salt. Let us start our activity. This is entitled Egg, Water, and Salt Experimentation. For the instruction, first to do is gently place an egg into the first glass of water. Does it sink or fall? Correct. The egg sink in the water. Second, add about 6 tablespoons of salt to the second glass of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third, stir until the salt dissolves, and then although the water may remain cloudy. Fourth, gently place the second egg into the glass of salt water. Does it sink or float? Very good, class. The egg floats in the water. After we do this activity, I give you 3 minutes to write or construct a questions and observation about the activity and what our activity is all about. Okay, closely observe that when it just tap water, the egg sinks, and in salt water, the egg floats. That's a good observation. And this activity, she asked a question. Why did it happen? We will look for the answer later, and I will explain the concept of our activity. Okay, class. What could be the meaning of our activity? Yes? Correct. Our activity has a meaning and important to us as a human. Stephanie said that the activity has a connection in our activity. That is correct because the density is a measure of the mass per unit of a substance. In our activity, the egg sinks in regular tap water because the density of the egg is greater than the density of the water. Then, when we add salt to the water, we are increasing the density of the water by adding more mass, which is the salt in the given volume. Class, we don't really change the volume of the water by adding salt. By enough salt, we increasing the density of the water so that it is higher than the density of the egg. And that's why the egg will float. Okay, class. In real life, it is easier to float in the ocean than in swimming pool because the reason for this is to do with the difference in density between pool water or the tap water and salt water. The salt water is denser from pool water. That's right. We find out that the ocean water weighs more than the pool water. I hope you learned a lot about the activity we did today. Thank you for your cooperation to do this. Goodbye, class, and have a good day.